While recording a video, we often make too many pauses. Filmora has a wonderful feature to remove these pauses in one go. Let me show you how this feature works in Filmora. While you are in media, simply double click over here to import your video. So this is the video from which I want to remove all the pauses, breaks or silence that I have made in this video. Open, and here we are. Let me show you the length of the total video by bringing it onto timeline. You can see it's 8 minute and 47-second video. And now I'm going to remove all the pauses and silence from this video, and later I will show you the length of the video after removing the pauses. This video is 8 minutes and 47 seconds long. Certainly its length would be reduced after removing all the pauses from the video. Let me remove it from the timeline. Simply go over here, right click, and down over here you can see we have this option, silence detection. So simply click over it. So right over here you can see we have this small window having a few options. For example, volume threshold, it's 25%, and if you are going to increase it, it would even pick some of the voice as silence and would remove it immediately. So I would request you to keep it as such. Minimum duration, it's 0.5 second, which means all 0.5 seconds durations that you have made would be removed. And if you want, you can change it right from here as well. And softening buffers mean having a little bit of time between one part and another part after the removal of the silence. So I would recommend leave all these options as default, as they are good enough. Now simply click on start, and you can see it has started automatically picking up all those silent audio parts. And there we go, and it's done. Simply click on export to timeline, and there we are. Just look over here, you can see it's now 4 minute and 53 second video, which was 8 minute and 57 second video. So all those passes, ahs and ums are gone. Now suppose some of the part of the video that you don't like to be removed as silence has been removed. How you can bring it back? Simply click on the video clip, bring your cursor at the end and drag it like this, and the part that you wanna bring it back would come back like this. And for example, some of the part that you wanted to be removed has not been removed, then simply bring your cursor right over here and drag it back like this, and it would be gone, and the next part would automatically snap it back to the part next to it. So this is how you can actually remove the silence from your video, and later on if some of the part you want to bring back, you can actually bring it back, and a part that is unnecessary you can actually delete it as well. So that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.